Okay. Good morning. I know actually it's afternoon na. Today is November 7, 2020 and actually since March, since pumasok yung COVID, hindi na ako nakapagturo ng yoga. Actually, I'm a yoga teacher. I've been teaching yoga for the past 35 years. And so far, since my COVID, hindi na tayo nakapagturo ng yoga muna for a while. And so we're stuck up here sa ating bahay. And somehow I did so many things in between. Pero one time, what happened is actually I'm a vegetarian and I usually cook my own food. And one time, nung magluto ako, I add some mga bell peppers. And ang ginawa ko is tinano ko, tawag nito, yung hinabuwa ko ba or tinanim ko na lang haphazardly yung yung mga seed dito sa planter nung sister-in-law ko. And it's here. Wait kita ko sa inyo. Yan dyan siya. So actually kinuha ko na ulit yung mga pepper dyan and transfer ko na siya dahil tawag nito, nagalit sa akin yung sister-in-law ko dahil bakit daw ginamitan ko yung ginamit ko, I mean yung pots niya. So I transferred them here now. You can see them here. Okay, yan siya. Na-transfer ko na siya ngayon dyan and I hope they will grow more. So finally I decided to really get some more seeds, you know, and so I was able to get some tools also. And of course kailangan natin ng mga tools when you're doing your gardening kasi sabi ko magsiseryoso kaya ako sa ng garden. So I was able to get some of this. First of all, kailangan natin ng gloves, you know, para hindi ka ma-contaminate ng soil dahil kung tutusin ang soil, maraming mga bacteria yan. And nice here is I was able to get a glove na meron siyang claws, no? And then I also got these two shovels, no? And then yan. Actually, you know where I got them actually online ko nakuha ito. And of course, I was able to get this rake. Itong rake na to. This is very good for what is this? Para ikalayka yung and I have a bunch of seeds here. Actually, I was able to get them also online. And I have here some sweet bell pepper, pechay, bok choy, Chinese cabbage, and eto meron akong okra. And hopefully I will be able to plant them more. Meron din akong sinimulan ko nang itanim yung aking what is this? Etong bishop tomatoes dito sa nilagay. This one. Yan ang bishop tomatoes. Hopefully tutubo siya. And of course, itong mga cups na to, malaking tulong to dahil usually minsan emergency, kain tayo ng noodles and magamit pa rin sila. So here ang ating marami kaming pwedeng pagtamnan dito. This one I was able to plant this one. Ito yan sweet bell pepper din. Ito naman mga espada. And there's so many other, there's a place actually to do gardening in our backyard, no? And maganda naman yung lupa dito. That's why actually I decided na I want to document itong gardening ko, and this will be my first video dahil dati nagkaroon ako ng garden dito actually dito sa place na to. Ito yan used to have a big garden here. Ang dami kong mga plant dyan noon. May pechay, meron akong okra, meron akong upo, and mga different vegetables. And pero ngayon medyo hindi ko na kaya magtanim sa ganyang kalaking lugar. So that's why I decided na I will just plant, whatever I can dito sa available na lupa dito. Titingnan natin kung hanggang kailan natin may develop lahat. Okay? So, again, my name is Tulsi Krishna. I'm a yoga teacher and now I'm starting to become a gardener, vegetable gardener. Okay? So, thank you very much.